How to fix Instagram boost post something went wrong error. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, you can switch between networks. That is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. Next, open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Instagram server status and tap on any of the available links here and see if Instagram's server is down. If yes, then wait for some time and see if that fixes your issue. If not, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the application further. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. Now, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Instagram application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. So, this is how you can fix Instagram boost post something went wrong error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.